Well, now we are going to start the 40 days to a personal revolution. I know it's the new year and everybody says, well, I'm going to do X, and then we don't do it. So we brought a team in of folks that can help you. My friends from Rainbow Blossom are here, and it is good to see you all. Introduce yourselves, please.
Go ahead.
Miss Carolyn.
I'm Carolyn Hannon from Rainbow Blossom.
I'm Kat Larimore from 502 Power Yoga.
There you go. So we're doing yoga, which I'm going to tell you, I tried yoga once, right?
Once.
Yes. We'll get to all that. And it was funny because I'm not sure what I thought. I think people have an idea about yoga and it's usually wrong. Mine was wrong. It was a little harder than I thought. At Rainbow Blossom, Carolyn, you all have everything. I have to thank them too because Rainbow Blossom has helped support my nonprofit. It is a recipe to end hunger. Everything I've done with that nonprofit so far, they have helped me, and you all don't know it, but we've almost fed close to 300 children for a year because of your help. So I thank you, and she's got a recipe in the book too if you want to check that out. Yeah. So where are we starting? I mean, this whole 40 days to a personal revolution. Who wants to jump in? Where are we starting?
I'll jump in for that. So 40 Days to a Personal Revolution. It's a program developed by Baron Baptiste, and we host a program at our studio, 502 Power Yoga, where it's a group setting and you get assigned to a group. We meet a couple nights a week over at Rainbow Blossom in their community room down in the Highlands. And with your group, you work through the 40 days. There's a great book that it's based on. It's right over here on the table. Show that.
I'll pick that up
to our viewers here. And so through the 40 days, you work through some laws of transformation. You work on some daily meditation, daily yoga practice, and a lot of self-inquiry and journaling work, so that over the course of the 40 days, you kind of chip away at some of like your stuck energy, some things that might be just holding you back, and you just kind of create a revolution for your physical self, your mental self, just your whole way of being.
You know, a lot of times I'm speaking to myself when I say that. There's the information there, guys. 40 Days to a Personal Revolution. Rainbow Blossom, easy to find, 3046 Bardstown Road. There's the time, 6 to 7:15 p.m. Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays. Starts January 31st, goes all the way through the 11th. You see the prices there, and then 502poweryoga.com. A lot of times, especially at the beginning of the year, we all talk about what we want to do, and then it's done. It's not like we do anything about that. We talk about it, and then it's done. You know, Carolyn, that I'm in Rainbow Blossom all the time. I started learning. I didn't just want to do this. Cancer has hit me more times than I just want to deal with. So I thought I'm going to get healthy. And I found it's not too easy. You know, a lot of times when people say health food or be healthy, they're like, oh, I don't want to be too healthy. So you all have a lot of things in there.
We do, and we try to make it accessible and easy to everybody, and we have a great staff that can answer a lot of questions. So every year, it's our mission to provide some sort of education around New Year's resolutions.
Right. But you all do education all year.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, in the summertime, you've got local growers that are there. You don't just have food. You have things for your stomach, for your heart, for your lips. You've got natural soaps. I mean,
we have it all.
That's always the goal.
We have books. You know, here's a juicing book.
I got that book.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Gluten-free and vegan for the whole family. So we have lots of resources, from books to essential oils.
It's a one-stop. If you're looking to be healthy, it's a one-stop.
Exactly, and the education piece is so important. And when I heard that 502 Power Yoga was doing this program, I said, we've got to partner up and bring this to the community.
So you have some of the things that you have here, like these. Is this essential oils?
Yes.
I love that.
And here's a small little burner that you would just put those in and put a small tea light candle in, and that just helps to bring some aroma to the room. We have, you know, honey and some snacks to help. In this program, part of that is diet. So learning and being more aware of what you're eating.
So I have people who say to me, because I'm vegan now, I eat all organic, and people say, well, I can't do that, it's just too expensive. I honestly believe you're going to pay now for that good food, that's going to be good to your body.
Absolutely.
Or you will pay later, like I did with 8 surgeries in the last year.
Oh, my goodness.
You're
Yeah.
going to pay now or pay later. I think it's easier to pay the dollar bill than for you to take a piece of my body.
I agree completely, and you just feel better, and you have a higher quality of life as you go along. You know, you can enjoy these delicious foods like honey and walnuts and learn different ways to use them.
All right. If you all had, from both of you, one piece of great information that you would want to gift to somebody so they know you can do this, you know, you can do this, but you got to get busy, what would you say?
Gosh, it would just be show up. Just show up. Just attend a class. Even if you just do the basic modifications, you sit on your mat and breathe, you're going to get some benefit from a yoga practice.
Yes.
And through that yoga practice, it's going to just spread out into all the other aspects of your life.
All right, there's the 502 Power Yoga information there. Show up. And when you say show up, that means at the gym, at work, you know, with your kids, whatever it is, show up. Carolyn?
Keep showing up. And I mean that in a way that even if you think you're to a certain level, just do it again. This is a program that's designed to do annually. I myself am doing the Tuesday night class, and I'm excited about it. Ask questions, get help, build a team of resources to help you achieve your goals.
All right, how many Rainbow Blossoms do we have now?
We have 5.
All right.
And also through this program, when you sign up, you'll get a discount to our stores for the duration of the program.
All right, there's the information again, all of it there. Are we getting ready to go do some yoga?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm going to watch it. They've got some folks over there that's going to show us the yoga, how to do it, and open your mind to new things. That's what we're trying to do. Stick with us. We're going to come back in a second and a little 502 Power Yoga demonstration. Stay with us.